course, we're all familiar with all of the setbacks in terms of getting the engine cranking up again with personnel shortages, short notice cancellations because of COVID and so forth. So that I think, and you mentioned Pete Buttigieg at the beginning there. I think it is going to be political grist to the mill to get the airlines, particularly the US airlines, more under the thumb in terms of responsiveness and accountability to the public. I think that's one of the issues that's going to come out, and it's not just in the US. Generally speaking, though, I mean, macroeconomic issues aside, well, not aside, macroeconomic issues underlying a whole lot of what's going to happen next year in terms of certainty or not, in terms of essentially consumer demand, which will affect that, but also on the cost side. The industry is reasonably well placed, perhaps not as well placed as some of the central industry voices are suggesting, but because there is such a lot of uncertainty. But that said, the US is in a much better position than others. The major airlines have pretty good balance sheets. Demand has come back pretty well in the US. And of course, they have a domestic market which has been consistently profitable until COVID for several years now.
Well, what about globally? I mean, anecdotally, as a traveller and a consumer, I can still look around and see prices in some places, in particular, being way out of a historical norm range, and getting flights to various places is proving very difficult. And now we've got this extra ban on, or at least a restriction on Chinese travellers leaving China. I mean, do you think we'll be in 2023? We'll get back to what we were familiar with pre-COVID in terms of pricing, in terms of availability, in terms of routes that are open?
Certainly not in 2023. I think there are some fundamental issues affecting international. When I was talking before, I was talking about US domestic, and that's because that's such a big market and fairly resilient. It's looking much better than others. Internationally, it's going to be very questionable next year. Services are not going to come back to the sort of levels that they were at before, international services, maybe on the transatlantic, but that's about all. Because several underlying factors. One is the erosion of business class travel, which tends to underwrite very substantially the operation of long haul services, and the difficulties that airlines are having in getting large long haul aircraft back into the air in an economic way. So it is going to mean that fares are going to be quite substantially higher. There are going to be fewer frequencies for quite some time, probably right through till 2024. And then the other thing is, of course, fuel prices, jet fuel prices, which are way above oil prices, have been very, very painful to them. So I think international is looking quite questionable